For the past decade, we've been at the forefront of Shopify theme innovation and excellence. Discover how our world-class themes can elevate your online business to new heights. Meet Flex, the ultimate theme crafted for developers and power merchants seeking granular control. Turbo is designed for high-volume stores, merging speed, style, and unmatched flexibility effortlessly. Superstore caters to wholesalers, featuring a visually stunning design, perfect for expansive product catalogs. Keeping your Shopify theme updated is crucial for success. Our Theme Updater makes it seamless. With Theme Updater, easily carry over your unique settings, ensuring consistency across your site. Join over 30,000 merchants who trust our themes to enhance their online presence. Need assistance? Our dedicated support team is ready to help with any theme-related inquiries. Whether customization or expert advice, we partner with e-commerce specialists to optimize your store.